Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to restore the theme back to default on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. So for that we just need to find the themes application. We can use the search bar to find it manually in the apps. We can also do it through the settings. Here you can see this themes tab, and also you can press and hold the home page and you will see this themes option. So firstly we need to open it, and on the bottom of the screen switch to the menu. Here we can see this My Stuff option, and you can see my current theme here and the default one. So if you want to bring back everything to the default, you just need to switch to the default. Here select apply, wait a couple of seconds till it will be applying this theme. Here it will load to the 100%, and here it is. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.